Let's paint a video game. As you can see, it is Spelunky. I've been asked to do this for someone, so this video won't be out until they see it, because apparently it's a surprise for someone. But I did put this sketch up on Twitter. I wanted to get, this isn't finished, I wanted to get an art style to the drawing, because it's when this person finished Spelunky and they their ending, so to speak. So I just wanted to get an art style, but on the original one you don't get oh, that was kind of cool, man. You don't get like that light source, like that's not the fact. This isn't, I've only roughly detailed this just to get a feel to the drawing, but it's going to be a few characters in it and we'll see how it goes. I think I am done. I mean, you know, it's not perfect, but it's art. It's not supposed to be perfect. It's my interpretation. And that's what I'm sticking to. I'm quite happy with it. I'm quite happy with it. I hope the person receiving it is quite happy with it. Yeah, I'm quite happy. I think it's done. I'm going to send it over for one final confirmation, but I think it's done. Yeah, I'm done. Anyway, I'm probably, well, if you've already seen this, I've already done it. I might just put this into one long time-lapsed video because it took me a while, and I don't want to take my my entire channel to take up by one video. So let me know what you think. Hopefully the person receiving it enjoys it or likes it. No, I'm not. I'm looking at things I could change now, and I'm not going to do it. I'm going to send her off to the person, see if they like it. I'm going to adjust this first because it's bugging me. Done. That's it. Let me know your thoughts down below. Leave a like and subscribe. Share the video if you can to anyone you know or everyone you don't know. And I'm currently in the middle of another drawing as well, but you'll see those videos as they come. Because it's not a secret. But this one was a secret. And I think the cat's out of the bag now, but sounds anyway. From Warrior here. But yeah, I've enjoyed doing this one. I hope they like it. And I'll be back again soon with another one. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.